Hello guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel Code Surfer, and today we are going to have a look on some of the basic aspects of programming, like what is programming, how we can do the programming, what is needed to do a program. So let's get started with. So the first question would be, what is programming? So programming is just an act of telling a computer what to do by writing code, and for that you'll need to learn how to program a computer in a language which it can understand, like C++, Java, or some other languages like Python. So today we are going to have a look on some of them. So जैसे हम सब लोग जानते हैं कि ह्यूमंस की एक लैंग्वेज होती है, जैसे वो लोग बात करते हैं हिंदी, इंग्लिश, गुजराती, मराठी एंड लॉट मोर लैंग्वेजेस आता है. सो उस हिसाब से कंप्यूटर की लैंग्वेज होती है बाइनरी लैंग्वेजेस. तो वो बाइनरी लैंग्वेज क्यों होती है, क्या होती है, वो पहले समझ लेते हैं. फॉर एग्जांपल इफ वी हैव अ लुक ऑन दिस, या सो दिस इज योर कंप्यूटर. Sorry for that. And if you want your computer to do a simple calculation of 2 plus 3, let's take here 2 plus 3, but it will not understand directly, so आप लोगों को उसको उसकी लैंग्वेज में समझाना पड़ेगा, जो कि होती है zeros and one. So for that you will need to write some sort of code that we called program, which will be then interpreted into binary language. So the code will be the human language, I will say, and this will be the binary language. So here you will write 2 plus 3, a plus b, something like that, and the binary code will be 0 1 0 1 1 0, something like that. So this is the language for computer. So there will be a compiler in between which will translate the human language into the machine language, and then the computer will understand, yes, I need to do addition of two things. So then after वो आपको आउटपुट में देगा यहाँ पे 5, and then after again this 0 1 1 0, whatever it will be the value of 5, we will look further because हर एक नंबर, हर एक डेसिमल नंबर की एक बाइनरी वैल्यू होती है. जैसे कि 5 की भी एक वैल्यू होगी, 2 की भी एक अलग वैल्यू होगी इन बाइनरी. सो वो सब लोग हम लोग आगे देखेंगे. सो अभी हम लोग फोकस करते हैं कि ये कैसे होता है. सो जैसे कि मैंने बताया कि हम लोग प्रोग्राम इसीलिए करते हैं कि कंप्यूटर को हम लोग उसकी लैंग्वेज में, बाइनरी लैंग्वेज में समझा सके, जो कि जीरोज एंड वन होती है. अगर सिंपल हम लोग समझे कि अगर मशीन में करंट फ्लो होता है, it will be indicated as 1, and if the current is not flowing in it, then it will be indicated as 0. So that is the simple thing, and I also gave you guys an example of the compiler, why the compiler is there. So today we'll learn some basic of C++, how it works. C++ is also a language that we use to write some code in it. So let's have a look on it, some basic thing. Let's put it in this corner and we'll draw a thing here. Let's go. So yeah, C++ is basically a procedural language, we can say. So you need to explain the computer each and everything to go in a flow. It's not like that you could do anything, you could write anything and the computer will understand. So let's take an example. If we want to find a largest number from the three numbers, so for example, let's take maximum of three numbers. Yep. And so for that, first thing that we'll need to do is take the input from the user. So let's take it here, like there is value 1, value 2, and value 3. So this will be our first step. What will be the next step is to compare all these values with each other. Okay, so let's go to the next point. So there will be two conditions here. So इसमें हम लोग पहले value 1 is greater than value 3. So this is the first condition, and second condition जो होगी वो होगी value 2 is greater than value 3. So from there will be two outputs. Either it will be a no, or either it will be a yes. So if it is a yes for this first condition, if value 1 is greater than value 3, then the remaining value will be compared with the highest value of the first one. That means value 1 is greater than value 2. So this will be the next condition. And for this one, if value 2 is greater than value 3, then here it will be value 2 is greater than value 1. So what if अगर क्या होगा कि ये दोनों कंडीशन राइट नहीं होगी, अगर वैल्यू 1 भी बढ़े नहीं और वैल्यू 2 भी बढ़े, तो हम लोग हमारा प्रोग्राम यहीं पे ख़त्म हो जाएगा और हमको आंसर मिल जाएगा दैट value 3 is the greatest value of that. And if this conditions goes right, then if value 1 is greater than value 2, then the greatest value will be value 1 here, and for this one it would be value 2. So this is a basic example. So this is, I just wanted to let you know how to go in the flow to do a programming, how you'll need to think for it. Get to know the things in the next videos, further videos, and we'll do some hands-on on how to write a program for this kind of example. We'll do in the next video. We'll also see how to install, download and install the softwares for this one. So stay tuned with this channel and see you guys in the next video. Thank you for watching this video and do subscribe the channel.